Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Snapchat video, and today I'm going to show you how to add music to your Snapchats. So it's been a while since I've made a Snapchat video. A lot has changed with the interface and the creation portion of that. So there's a couple ways that you can add music to your Snapchats. First of all, you're going to see like a little music icon right there. You could tap on that and then select a sound that you would like. So let's just pick this one up here on the top. You probably can't hear the music in this recording, but you would just scroll to like a section of this song that you want. If you want to play a preview of that, just tap the little play button right here, then you'll hear what it sounds like. You can tap the stop. If you don't want this song anymore, just tap the X right there. Now what you want to do is just start recording with this button right here. So you can just start recording your Snapchat, stop recording whenever you feel like it. So now you have a Snapchat with music on top. You can also go to this editor down here in the bottom left. So now we're editing the Snapchat. You can see this bar here. You can hold down on and start recording again. So now you're like adding segments to your snap. But this daylight music is going to play over the entire snap. And you can tap on the daylight music and switch the section if you want to do that. Then just tap the check again. If you decide that you don't want the daylight song anymore, tap on it. And then you can tap the X right here. Then it'll be gone. Go ahead and tap add a sound. And then you can select different music. Like you could go to this hip hop song and add this one if you want. So now we have the life support song. So you're done recording and editing. Just tap the check mark right there. And now this is your completed snap. You can move the music around if you want. And then you can tap the button in the bottom right to send that to your story or to your friends. Now I'm going to close this snap out entirely. Click abandon. We'll close all of this out, kind of start fresh here. So that's the first way to do it. You could tap the music first. Now let's say you do a snap where you don't tap that music first. Start recording and you're recording something cool. I don't know what it is, but you capture an epic moment and you have it, and then you're like, oh, I want to add music to this, but I forgot. You can tap the music button on the right side of the screen, or you can tap down here in the bottom left to kind of open up the story editor and then go through the same process there. Just click add sound, pick whatever one that you want here. Now we've added music to this Snapchat, and we can just tap the check there. Now the snap is completed with music. Can move this little thing around wherever we want, and then you could send this to your story or friends down there in the bottom right. So yeah, there you have it, a few different ways to add music to your Snapchats. Basically you can add it in before or after easily now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.